Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. I'm going to show you in this video how you can become a master pro hacker. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So becoming a professional hacker requires dedication, continuous learning, and ethical practices. So here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you on that journey. So you're going to want to start by building a strong foundation. Start by developing a solid understanding of computer science fundamentals. You're going to want to learn programming languages like Python, C, and Java, master networking concepts and protocols like TCP/IP, gain proficiency in operating systems, especially Linux distributions like Kali Linux, develop essential skills, focus on acquiring key hacking skills, right? Study cryptography and encryption techniques, learn about web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, understand database systems and SQL, master hacking tools and techniques, familiarize yourself with popular hacking tools. Now, among them are the Metasploit for penetration testing, Nmap for network scanning, Wireshark for packet analysis, and you're gonna also want to practice continuously, right? Gain hands-on experience is crucial, it's essential, it's important. So you're going to want to set up a home lab to experiment safely, participate in capture the flag competitions, also known as CTF, practice on platforms like Hack the Box and Try Hack Me. Now, if you're on a budget, you can still set up a home lab, right? A controlled environment so you can hack away. So here are some steps to do that, from an affordable standpoint. 1, use a virtualization software like VirtualBox or Proxmox to create virtual machines on your existing computer. This allows you to run multiple operation systems, running multiple operating systems without needing additional hardware. Then you're going to want to install Kali Linux as your main hacking platform. You can download a pre-built Kali Linux virtual machine image for free. Set up vulnerable target systems to practice on. You have Metasploit, is a free intentional vulnerability machine, vulnerability Linux virtual machine, right? You can use, and then you can create an isolated network, right, environment for your lab. You use a separate router or VLAN to keep your lab network separate from your home network. Consider using a Raspberry Pi as an affordable dedicated device for your lab. Raspberry Pis are low cost and can run Kali Linux. Leverage cloud services like AWS to create virtual private clouds and EC2 instances for more advanced steps. This can, be cost effective if managed carefully. Okay, so also practice on free online hacking platforms like Hack the Box or Try Hack Me. We already talked about that, to supplement your home lab. Put them in your home lab now. Gradually expand your lab as your skills grow. You can add more virtual machines or physical devices over time as needed. So now, here are some beginner-friendly, hacking challenges and capture the flag. So you built your home lab. Now it's time to record and do your thing, right? And tap away with these, right? Some of the popular capture the flag competitions are Pico CTF. It's basically a free online platform designed for beginners. It offers year-round practice challenges. It covers topics like cryptography, web exploitation, reverse engineering, and more. It provides hints and learning resources. There's Over the Wire, which is free war games focused on Linux skills and basic hacking techniques. It starts with very simple challenges and progressively gets more difficult. It's great for learning command line skills. There's Hack the Box, which offers a starting point track with guided challenges for beginners. It provides virtual machines to practice on. It has both, free and paid tiers. Now, we talked about it, but let's get into it. We have Try Hack Me, right, which offers guided learning paths and hands-on labs. There's many free rooms available for beginners. There's kind of like a Try Hack Me versus a Hack the Box kind of thing going on. So whatever floats your boat, right? But in this case, it covers a wide range of cybersecurity topics. There is the DVWA, and that's for basically web web application type of thing, vulnerable web application. DVWA, which is damn vulnerable web application, which is intentionally a vulnerable web application for practicing web hacking, right? It can be set up locally to practice safely. It's great for learning about common web vulnerabilities. There's Hacker 101 CTF, which is a free CTF platform by HackerOne, which focuses on web security and bug bounty skills. It provides hints and write-ups for learning. There's CyberSec Labs, which offers beginner-friendly boot to root machines. There's guided learning paths available, some free content with more available via paid subscription. Now, when starting out, focus on building fundamental skills in networking, Linux, and programming. Understand basic web technologies and vulnerabilities, right? That's one of the biggest things in the game, is understanding vulnerabilities as you are in the realm of hacking. Then you're going to want to learn to use common hacking tools ethically, not illegally, ethically. Specialize and stay updated, right? Choose an area of focus and keep learning. Then there's web application security. These are kind of the skills to brush up on. Web application security, network security, mobile security, cloud security, obtain relevant certifications. You have the CEH, the Certified Ethical Hacker, other industry recognized certifications are the CompTIA Security Plus. There's the OSCP, that's the Offensive Security Certified Professional. Now, you're going to also want to build a professional network, right? Connect with other professionals in the field. Join hacking communities and forums. Attend cybersecurity conferences and meetups. Okay, that's important. Then you're going to want to develop a strong ethical foundation. Always prioritize ethical hacking practices, right? Don't do things illegally or unethically. Understand legal boundaries and obtain proper permissions. Focus on improving security rather than exploiting vulnerabilities, right? Use your skills for good, not bad. Remember, becoming a professional hacker takes time and dedication. So stay patient, keep learning, and always practice responsibly and ethically, okay? Now, here are some hacking challenges that focus on web vulnerabilities, because there's so many ways and areas that you can attack this from. We have the OWASP web GOAT, which is deliberately insecure web application. It provides hands-on lessons on common web vulnerabilities. It covers topics like SQL injection, XSS, CSRF, and more. It's designed for learning web application security. You have the Google Gruyere, and that's intentionally vulnerable web application by Google. It focuses on common web vulnerabilities. That is key, right? Because you're going to want to know the common ones, and then again, beginner friendly, then we're going to get experts, right? It includes challenges on XSS, CSRF, information disclosure. It provides explanation and defenses for each vulnerability. There's the Pen Tester Lab, which offers hands-on labs focused on web security. It covers topics like SQL injection, XSS, file inclusion. It provides both free and paid content, structured learning path for web application security. We have the Portswigger Web Security Academy. It's free, interactive labs on web vulnerabilities. It covers OWASP top 10 and more advanced topics. It includes detailed explanations and solutions. Okay, that is a key with that one. It's ideal for learning web security concepts. So that is what I have for you today. Please let me know if you like this content and if you want more of it. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Again, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Did you like this content? What are your thoughts? What are your opinions? Please let me know in the comment section below. Also, hit that notification bell so you are alerted when I upload new videos. So I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you on the next video.